Hi there. In this video, I'm covering how to make money as a virtual assistant, helping businesses with their administrative tasks remotely. This flexible option lets you work from anywhere while supporting companies with everything from email management to social media. Let's explore what it takes to get started as a VA.
So basically, virtual assistant is like a personal assistant, but they work online instead of in an office. Businesses hire VAs, virtual assistants, to help with tasks like answering emails, scheduling meetings, managing social media, or doing research. As a VA, you work remotely and you can have more than one client. That means you have a flexibility in choosing your hours and workload. You don't need a big investment to start, just a computer, laptop, internet connection, and basic skills in organization, communication, and or admin tasks. Many companies and websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer help you find the virtual assistant jobs. Just go to their website and type the virtual assistant, and you see that the earning potential is from $30 an hour to fixed price like $330 for a one-time project. So let me summarize the pros. As you say, it's a good income potential and you can work from anywhere. On the other hand, the cons, it requires organization and time management skills.
What skills do you already have that could make you a great virtual assistant? Share your thoughts in the comments. If you're looking for a work-from-home opportunity with low startup costs, VA work is worth considering. Just make sure you're organized and can manage your time effectively across multiple clients. Remember, while being a VA requires good organizational skills, it offers the flexibility to work from anywhere and build stable income by supporting multiple businesses. See you in the next video.